Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I've been getting a lot lately. Will Venmo give me my money after 180 days? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer. Yes, Venmo will eventually give you your money back after 180 days. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can get your money back. What is Venmo? Before we get into the details of how to get your money back from Venmo, let's first talk about what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or send someone money as a gift. How does Venmo work? To use Venmo, you need to create an account and link your bank account or debit card. Once you've done that, you can start sending and receiving money from other Venmo users. To send money to someone, you simply need to enter their phone number or email address and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to your payment. To receive money from someone, you simply need to accept the payment request. The money will then be deposited into your Venmo account. What happens if I don't have enough money in my Venmo account to cover a payment? If you don't have enough money in your Venmo account to cover a payment, your payment will be declined. You will then need to add more money to your account before you can try to send the payment again. What happens if I send a payment to the wrong person? If you send a payment to the wrong person, you can cancel the payment before it is processed. To cancel a payment, you simply need to go to your activity feed and tap on the payment you want to cancel. What happens if I get scammed on Venmo? If you think you've been scammed on Venmo, you should report it to Venmo immediately. You can also report it to the police. What happens if I delete my Venmo account? If you delete your Venmo account, you will lose access to your money. You will need to contact Venmo to get your money back. How long does it take for Venmo to process a payment? It typically takes 1 to 3 business days for Venmo to process a payment. However, it can take longer during busy periods. What happens if I need to dispute a payment? If you need to dispute a payment, you can contact Venmo and they will investigate the matter. What happens if I forget my Venmo password? If you forget your Venmo password, you can reset it by following the instructions on Venmo's website. What happens if I lose my Venmo card? If you lose your Venmo card, you can order a new one from Venmo's website. What happens if I need to change my Venmo phone number? If you need to change your Venmo phone number, you can do so by logging into your account and going to the settings page. What happens if I need to change my Venmo email address? If you need to change your Venmo email address, you can do so by logging into your account and going to the settings page. What happens if I need to cancel my Venmo account? If you need to cancel your Venmo account, you can do so by logging into your account and going to the settings page. What happens if I have a question about Venmo? If you have a question about Venmo, you can contact Venmo's customer support team. Will Venmo give me my money after 180 days? Now that we've covered some of the basics of Venmo, let's get back to the question of whether or not Venmo will give you your money back after 180 days. The answer is yes, Venmo will eventually give you your money back after 180 days. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can get your money back. First, you need to make sure that your Venmo account is inactive. An inactive account is one that has not been used to send or receive money in the past 180 days. Second, you need to contact Venmo and request a refund. You can do this by calling Venmo's customer support team or by submitting a request through the Venmo app. Once you have submitted a request for a refund, Venmo will review your account and determine if you are eligible for a refund. If you are eligible, Venmo will process your refund and send you your money back. It is important to note that it can take up to 90 days for Venmo to process your refund. So, if you need your money back quickly, you may want to consider using a different payment method. Conclusion. In conclusion, Venmo will eventually give you your money back after 180 days if your account is inactive. However, it can take up to 90 days for Venmo to process your refund. So, if you need your money back quickly, you may want to consider using a different payment method. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll see you next time.